Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to purchase hosting for your WordPress website. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WordPress website right here at wordpress.com if you have not already. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by the main page where in the upper right corner you want to get started logging into your account. So if you didn't already have an account, create a new one. If you have one, just go ahead and log in. And after logging in, open up your website. So after opening up your website, it's going to open it up in this edit mode where the left side screen in this homepage right here you can find all the sections we have such as home, statistics, upgrades, and so on that we can use for hosting and creating our website. So now let's go and see what we can do. Basically guys, what we are looking for is this option right here. At the left side screen you can go into settings, and after putting your mouse on settings you can click hosting features. This is going to open up this settings menu for your hosting where we can now get started with choosing what hosting features we want. So basically here you can find your hosts, you can use all the settings you have and so on. But basically you can use any host you like. Let's say Hostinger. Hostinger is one of the main options that you have for hosting your WordPress website. As you can see, when you go to hostinger.com, it's immediately going to open it up. You have this section right here that says manage WordPress that you can use for managing your WordPress website. So you can just go ahead and follow the steps right here. Once you have found your host guys, here on the homepage you can click hosting overview and you can get started. As you can see, finding who you want to use as a host, you can add your domains and so on and get started implementing it. And it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.